Welcome to feelastro.com's exclusive channel related to Vedic astrology. In this video, let's analyze the characters of Kritika Nakshatra or birth star and its love and marriage compatibility with other stars. Please like the video, press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. For astrological free reports, please visit our site feelastro.com. For astrological services, please click on the links in the description. To watch the compatibility with a particular star, please click on the timeline link in the description. Kritika is the third star among the 27 stars in Vedic astrology. This star stays in Aries and Taurus. Star gender is female. Kritika belongs to Asuragana. Ruling lord is Sun. The ruling deity is Agni Dev. The symbol of Kritika is razor, which represents precision and accuracy. Ruling deity Agni consumes as well as sanctifies. Therefore, Kritika will be able to realize their flaws and will take steps to correct them. At times, they may also show interest in pointing out the mistakes of others. According to Puranas or epics, Kritika's star is the foster mother of Kartikeya, the general of the divine army. Kritika is composed of 6 stars. The ruling lord Sun represents ego, leadership and superiority. Agni, the fire element, symbolizes intensity and anger. Hence, Kritika born will be noticed for their harsh speech and quick temper. However, they will mellow down very soon. They also do not carry a grudge against anyone in their heart. Kritika will be able to hold a high rank in society as well as they will also take up leadership responsibility. Since Sun influences Kritika strongly, they will refrain from talking their heart out. Some may have to face ups and downs in their life. Kritika is blessed with an innate spirituality. However, they won't be aware of it. But at some point in their life, they will understand their spiritual inclination. They will excel in various sectors like the armed forces, fire forces, fashion designing, investigation and excavation. Now let's analyze the love and marriage compatibility of Kritika Nakshatra with other birth stars. Kritika Ashwini. Kritika will be attracted to the adventurous nature of Ashwini. Both Kritika and Ashwini may evade the dedication required in a relationship. At the same time, they will desire commitment in the relationship. Kritika Bharani. Bharani will be able to understand the hidden love feelings of Kritika and will behave accordingly. Kritika may be surprised by the attachment and closeness shown by Bharani. They will have a good rapport in matters of love, lust and affection. However, Kritika may not always like the possessiveness expressed by Bharani. Kritika Kritika. Kritika pairs will have the same emotions and perspectives regarding love and desires. However, Kritika doesn't open up easily in a relationship. This may result in an inactive relationship at times. Kritika usually does not show an open attitude initially in a relationship. Kritika Rohini. Kritika may feel an initial attraction towards Rohini. This may make Kritika bonded to Rohini. But the perspectives of Rohini regarding love may not be comprehensible to Kritika. They may also find it hard to accept it. Sometimes Kritika may try to run away from the relationship. Kritika Mrigashira. Kritika may indulge in healthy debates and arguments with Mrigashira. Therefore, both of them will enjoy this relationship. However, they may refrain from getting close to each other. Kritika Adra. Kritika and Adra will fear developing trust between each other. This may not cause many issues during the initial period of the relationship. However, they may lack feelings of unity and closeness in the relationship later. Kritika Punarvasu. The enticing looks and knowledge of Punarvasu will attract Kritika to Punarvasu. Sometimes Kritika may want more time and intimacy in their relationship with Punarvasu. If Kritika can control their possessive nature, then this relationship will be in a harmony. Kritika Pushya. Pushya can become the best compatible star for Kritika. The best qualities of love, concern, lust, affection, which are required to make a relationship strong, will be abundant in this relationship. Kritika Ashlesha. Kritika will be attracted to the mysterious personality of Ashlesha. Ashlesha may become a good partner in many areas of life for Kritika. However, Kritika may doubt Ashlesha in certain areas. Kritika Magga. Kritika and Magga may suffer from insecurity in their relationship. Both of them will not try to develop trust between them. Kritika may feel that Magga lacks basic possessiveness. Kritika may also feel that Magga is ignoring them. Kritika Purva Falguni. Kritika will not be able to give the freedom desired by Purva Falguni in a relationship. Kritika will be highly moralistic in their approach, which may be a bit suffocating to the fun-loving Purva Falguni. If both of them can understand and accept each other, then this relationship will move forward. Kritika Uttara Falguni. The ruling lord of Kritika and Uttara Falguni is Sun. Therefore, they will maintain mutual trust and understanding in their relationship. Sometimes Kritika may feel that Uttara Falguni is not reciprocating in matters of love and concern. Kritika Hasta. Hasta will desire love and concern from Kritika, but Kritika may not enjoy the dependency shown by Hasta regarding love matters. But one thing is certain in their relationship, that is, Hasta will reciprocate with Kritika in love matters and will provide love and concern abundantly. Kritika Chitra. Chitra will be supportive of Kritika's concepts regarding love and affection. Therefore, Kritika will feel admiration and love towards Chitra at the same time. But Chitra may become restless if Kritika tries to test their love and concern. So sometimes Chitra may try to run away from the relationship. Kritika Swati. Kritika may be attracted to Swati, but it may just stay on the physical level. They have to nurture love and affection in their relationship. Then they will be able to talk openly and understand each other. Kritika Vishakha. Kritika and Vishakha will have an entirely different perspective regarding spirituality. This dissimilar thought process may prevent them from getting close to each other. They should also avoid anger and dissolve jealousy in their relationship. Kritika Anuradha. Kritika may feel that Anuradha is a reserved character during the initial period of the relationship. But soon Kritika will understand Anuradha's love and concern. Anuradha will be able to maintain a strong bond of love with Kritika. Anuradha expects pristine love in a relationship. If Kritika can provide this, then they will share a beautiful bond between them. Kritika Jeshta. Kritika and Jeshta will share a very strong and nice bond. They will be able to maintain trust, love and affection in their relationship. Kritika will find Jeshta to be an active partner. Kritika Moola. Initially, Kritika and Moola may refrain from trusting each other, but they may not stay the same for long. Once they know and understand each other, this relationship will be complete in all aspects. They will be able to understand each other's requirements in advance and will be able to lead a life according to it. Kritika Purvashada. Kritika will be able to maintain a very good friendship with Purvashada, but at the same time, love and desires may be absent in their relationship. Kritika may get confused regarding the likes of Purvashada. Kritika Uttarashada. Sun is the ruling lord of both Kritika and Uttarashada, so there are chances to develop ego issues between them. Both of them may try to show dominance in the relationship. Instead of trying to get close, they may try to avoid each other. Kritika Shravana. Kritika will not be able to open their heart to Shravana. The emotional instability shown by Shravana may cause difficulties for Kritika. The attraction between them will also be comparatively less. Kritika Dhanishta. Kritika is generally shy to open their heart to someone, but Dhanishta will be able to understand Kritika and will effortlessly fulfill Kritika's desires regarding love matters. Kritika Shadabhisha. Kritika's first feeling towards Shadabhisha will be curiosity. Kritika will also be not able to understand Shadabhisha easily. Sometimes Kritika may feel that Shadabhisha is emotionless, but once they come to know each other, Shadabhisha will be able to love Kritika fully. Kritika Purvabhadrapada. Purvabhadrapada will be a good friend to Kritika. If they want to lead their relationship into love, then Kritika will have to take the first step. Kritika, who is generally an introvert in matters regarding love, may find this task difficult. Kritika Uttarabhadrapada. Kritika may not be able to understand the requirements of Uttarabhadrapada completely. Instead of giving a clear-cut idea, Uttarabhadrapada may confuse Kritika. Kritika Revati. Kritika may feel that Revati doesn't have a realistic approach in life. Revati will look upon Kritika with much hope, but this may be a very unpractical approach. So Kritika will try to stay away from Revati. Thank you for watching this video. We will be back soon with another video.